Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on the Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the number of stocks of the companies right here on your home page. Now tap onto one of the companies that you are interested in, just like this. Now to buy the stocks of the company, scroll down and here you can find the option of add manually. Now tap on it. After that, here you can find the option of shares. Now simply tap onto shares, how much you want to buy, just like this. Now here you can also add the commission, just like this. Then also you can comment, that is optional. Now to buy it, here you can find the transaction type. Simply tap on it. Now you have to simply tap on to buy option and then tap on to add. And now you can simply buy the stocks on the Yahoo Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.